Hello and welcome back to ET Now. We are joining you live from SBI Live Studios, and a lot of earnings are indeed trickling in. And let's move on and put the spotlight on MedPlus. This has been a steady quarter for the company. In the quarter gone by, we have seen a good number growth, wherein the revenue has seen a jump of 7%. But look at the growth in their profit. It's a 43% bump up in their bottom line, and maybe one of the reasons why the stock is also very, very excited in today's trading session. But what's the outlook going ahead, and what are the factors that really help them perform so well? Let's understand all of that in detail, and let me welcome Mr. G. Madhukar Reddy, who is the MD and CEO of the company, joining us. A very good morning, and thank you so much for your time, Mr. Reddy. And firstly, great set of numbers coming in. And when I go into a deeper detail, I do understand that your pharma private label share, that has gone up to almost 12% now. The non-pharma private label, that has contributed close to 10% of your revenues. Help us understand what's the overall mix that you envisage for the company going ahead, and what are the plans there?
Thank you for having me. As in the past, I've always maintained that there's absolutely no reason why anyone should be buying branded medicine. All these products have been generic for years. The know-how of the making processes has been there. Almost everyone outsources them to different companies across the country, and we have the scale and size to be able to approach the best manufacturers and get them made for us. So it's just a matter of time. It will take a little while, obviously. We've been buying branded medicines for so long that it's not going to change overnight. We're very happy that within just 2 years, it has now gone up to nearly 12.5, 12.6% by sales. If you look at it by volumes, our private label pharmacy would probably be closer to around 25% of the overall medicines out there. So for us, I think we have taken on all the initial early adopters out there. We are now convincing the rest. It'll just take a little bit of time for us to actually grow there. That is what I think. But is there a cap? I don't think so. But is the speed of growth going to be, defined by how fast the market changes? Absolutely. So maybe we'll start growing at around 1% or so every quarter. Last quarter, we did not grow, but that is for a good reason, because we had grown a lot in the couple of quarters before that. So we're kind of, stabilizing it a little bit, but we'll continue to grow. On the general goods side, again, we currently have close to 5,000 stores. We are able to get almost every single product which we want, manufactured through great quality contract manufacturers. And given the fact that we are able to pass them directly to the customers, we are able to give them a great discount and all. And that's the reason why it has shown a steady increase. I don't see that stopping anytime soon. I think it will continue to grow. That's all I can tell you. Eventually, most of the stuff which you sell will be private label.
All right, Mr. Reddy, company opened 117 stores net in the quarter and 218 in almost first half of this financial year. Now, but do you believe the guidance for almost 600 store additions is what is given in FY26? Are you still sticking to that, or any new revision or a revised figure out there?
No, we have the property bank. I don't think it's going to be a problem. We will end up actually doing those stores. I don't think it's an issue at all. We will stick to the 600 stores. Yes.
All right, that will be interesting to see because in the quarter gone by, it's almost 117 store that you have added already. So 600 is the guidance there. But let's talk about your other division, that is diagnostic business. That has maintained profitability in the quarter. What are the growth plans here? Give us some more sense.
Diagnostics is going to be at a steady stage right now. We're not really looking to invest any more new money into that company. While it has, kind of become profitable and everything else, I'm still not happy with the way it has actually taken off. The goal was to bring us around 250 to 300,000 subscribers. As you may recall, ours is a model in which customer pays a small subscription fee or insurance kind of fee, and then he gets everything at almost cost to cost at around 80% discount and all. So it has been accepted. We have, gotten off to a reasonable start, but we have not yet reached the numbers we wanted to. Hence, we are just putting all growth on hold on that, at least on that model for a while. So steady state, but with nothing, and probably grow a little bit. We're still, looking to tweak something out there, which will allow us to get to the 250 or 300,000 subscriber base.
All right. Let's also talk about some traction in private labels now. What's the plan on adding more products, and what's the product mix, looking down few quarters down the line?
See, for medicines, we pretty much have the entire set of products right now. I think except for insulin and a few other products, we probably have almost everything which a customer would want. Obviously, next year we will end up getting the Wegovy and all those other GLP-1 drugs and all that, but that is going to be in the next year. Meanwhile, on the regular drugs, I don't think there's going to be a huge addition. It is where it is going to be. It'll now involve us converting more of our regular customers from buying branded drugs into private label, and that's a function of the overall confidence and all which people will get over a period of time. On the general goods, though, there we continue to increase the number of products. I mean, there's a ever, I would say, increasing number of skincare, hair care, and all kinds of personal care products, along with health and nutritional products. Those continue to increase, and that's where I think we'll see the most amount of growth, both in terms of value of sales, as well as in the number of products which we put out there.
We'll watch out for that with Mr. Reddy. With this, we'll let you go. So good having you on the channel today. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for having me.
All right, but with this, viewers, it's once again time now to slip into a very short break. Don't